Serial Attached SCSI, SAS, is a high-speed data storage interface designed for high throughput and fast data access. 0.75 m 30AWG Florins Internal Mini-SAS 36-pin, SFF-8087, male with latch to SATA 7-pin female, X4, forward breakout cable. This 1 meter long cable uses 28 AWG Florins wires and is intended for external use. Serial Attached SCSI, SAS, is a high-speed data storage interface designed for high throughput and fast data access. Intended primarily for data storage centers, the SAS interface is backwards compatible with SATA. This allows the user to mix more expensive lower-capacity SAS drives for applications that require faster data access and higher reliability with lower-cost higher-capacity SATA drives for applications with lower access speed requirements. Monoprice carries a full line of quality SAS cables with connectors for every possible application, both internal and external. This 3/4 meter long cable uses 30 AWG Florins wires and is intended for internal use. It has a single 36-pin SFF-8087 male Mini-SAS plug, with locking latch, on one end, and has 4 7-pin SATA female plugs, with locking latches, on the other, allowing you to connect 4 SATA drives to an SAS controller. This is a forward breakout cable, meaning that it is intended to connect to a host controller on the SAS end and to drives on the SATA end. Guide to SAS connectors type hash of pins environment SFF-808736 Internal SFF-808826 External SFF-8482 29 SFF-8484 SFF-8470 34 External, also sometimes internal. Top reviews from the United States. Great value, working perfect on 2XM1015. This cables are working without any issues on 2 IBM 1015 flashed to 9211-8 IIT firmware. No issues to report. The sleeving is pretty good, much easier to handle than my 3-ware. All SAS and SATA ports have security latches not present in a lot of cables. Much easier to route a bigger sleeved cable than 4 separated cables. Now multiply this by 16 when you have 2 cards in. It's a mess to try to route on a case. You have to zip tie to make them as block, but with the included sleeving it's pretty easy to handle, no need to zip tie the cables. After the sleeving ends, a little before the SATA termination, the cables feel fragile, but I am taking a point as they are performing great, but this is just to warn people into handling with some care.